Hello everyone. Today's exercise is about number sequences, and it's pretty cool actually. The book reference is Cambridge Primary Mathematics Challenge number 6, page 13 from Unit 1A. So we have number and problem solving, and that's one of the teacher's resources that you guys are looking at. So let's read first these words, shall we? These mathematical sequences follow rules. The same rule applied to each number in the sequence to make the next term, to calculate the next term. A number, a number line can be useful. Useful. Let me get this right. Let me get this right. This is not right. I mistype it here. Useful for working out the step size in a sequence. So let's see an example with this number one on screen. So exercises: choose a two-digit whole number, and then write the first eight terms of a sequence. Of course, starting on your number and with the rule that has the rule of plus 4.35. So it seems that we have a arithmetic progression, and I'm going to pick up as a two-digit whole number, the number 10. Okay, guys. So let me write with my pen, with the Galaxy pen. I will start with 10. Two-digit number, it's a whole number, so natural, it's okay. With the rule of plus 4.35, so the second number, I'm gonna add like a comma over here because it's a sequence, okay, and then we can also illustrate that with an S, caps on, and then like with this symbol, okay, 10, and then the second will be of 14.35, okay, and then if we sum up 14.35 with the additional 4.35, then we are going to have, let me see here, 18 18.770, just 7, it's okay. And we are going to keep going until we have 8 numbers, right? So the fourth is 18.7 plus 4.35, so that results 23.05. Okay, and then plus 4.35 equals to 27.440, or just 4, it's okay. So up to now we have 5. Let's keep going with additional 3. So plus 4.35, and then the sum is 31.75. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 31.75 plus 4.35 is 36.1. And let me see, one more just to complete that. Okay, centering the screen. 36.1. Just I'm going to to calculate that real slow. Okay, so 36.1, and I'm going to sum 4.35, and that's the way we have, to organize the number, guys. And we start from the right, and we start summing. 0 plus 5 is 5, and then the second column, 1 plus 3 is 4, and then we have the third column, 6 plus 4, we have a 10, and then on the last we have 1 plus 3, which is 4. So the final number will be 40.45. And here we go. We have the 8 terms of this sequence following the rule. So it is a arithmetic progression. We have a constant. The constant is this number, 4.35. Okay, and then we have this arithmetic progression. With the second question, we have the following question: will the 20th term have one or two digit decimal places? So, in order to answer that, the best way, and it is going to be the fastest way, is to express an equation instead of trying to calculate, the ninth, the 10th, and until we reach the 20th. So in order to do that, we can start with this following observation. So we have the constant of 4.35. Okay, and that will be, if I write that down like an equals. So first we have the constant, then I'm going to add like a plus, and I'm going to look at the first term, which I'm going to call it a1. So if I look at the first term and realize that if we had a previous number, which means a number before 10, before this 10, and this number, of course, it would be 10 minus 4.35, because again the constant is 4.35 on this, and we can calculate this subtraction just manually, real slow, like that. Okay, so I'm going to do the way I learned. It was like a long time ago, guys, and in here I can perform like that. Okay, we have a 6, and then we go to the third column, would be another 5 over here. So the difference is 5.665. So as the number is still a positive number, I'm just going to add like here 5.65, and now I'm going to multiply it by n. And if I did this right, this is the expression that will help us out on the answer. So if I calculate the 20th, it would be like a20 equals, and I'm going to plug the number 20 on this n, right? So I'm going to replace the n by the number that we have in here would be 20. And then I'm going to calculate it, right? So here we have 5.65 times 20. So if I calculate that, as I am not in Japan, I'm going to do the way we do in here. So 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 6, 12, plus 1, 13, and then 2 times 5 is a 10, with 1, 11, right? So this multiplication is the following. I cannot forget to consider the, yeah, the number over here. So it's 113, and then the A20, the final number is 113 plus 4.35. Okay, and then of course we have 0.35 and 117. So that's the term that we are that we were looking for. We found it. Oh my God, I'm so happy about that. Isn't that cool? So I hope you guys like it, and see you guys in the next video.